Hi guys, Justin here with Viper Strike Knives. We're going to be doing a review on the Cold Steel Recon 1, my EDC knife of choice. And why is it my EDC knife of choice? It is a tank, and it's proven itself over and over again to be pretty much the best knife that I've owned. So these are mine right here, the ones I carry every day. This one actually fell off the back of a truck, an oil truck, twice, and it hit the ground going about 40 miles an hour down the road. So I was able to go back and find it, and it's still here. Nothing broke on it. It is a little loose, but that was pretty much from using it over time. Now these are the CTS XHP steels right here, and that's like the second generation of the Recon 1 model. They do have a DLC coating on them. Black blade. These are the tanno points right here, and we do have, this one's my wife's right here. She's got the full serrates. It's basically not used. It's basically just for self-defense. She keeps that in her bag. Also CTS XHP steel. And I do have this one right here. This one is the Green G10 scales. Really a nice look with the black. And that one is also CTS XHP steel. Yes, they're made in Taiwan, but don't let that fool you. They only do that because that way it's cheaper for us over here, and the quality is unbelievable. If you haven't seen a Cold Steel video, you guys need to check it out. So, we've talked the steels on these. They've recently switched from this steel to the 35, S35 VN steel, and that one's really good too. I do have a couple blades that have that on there. The reason they stopped doing this one is because I don't think they couldn't acquire it anymore for the line, so they had to switch. Blade shapes, they do make a spear point, combo edges. I used to have combo edges right here, but I basically got rid of them as I used them. I just kept filing the serrates down. So, and this one's a plain edge with a clip point. Size, let's get the scale out, guys. Well, not necessarily size, but weight as well too. So we're looking at, hold on, let's get that scale up here and make sure it's zeroed out. Alright. It says 5.2, but it says, I think it says 5.3 in the box. Yeah. And then the overall length is 9 and a quarter on these guys. Yeah, about 9 and a quarter. 4-inch blade. So they make the handle 5 and a quarter long. The blade thickness of the spine is 3.5 millimeters. Handle material is G10 scales on all these. This one I painted. I used Duracoat to paint it, and it turned out really nice. Lockup is the triad lock. Like I said, watch the videos of Cold Steel and they'll explain everything. I've seen them hang 350 pounds of weight off the back end of the handles of these, and the lock didn't fail. So that tells you the strength right there. Ergonomics, excellent. Fits in the hand perfect. Good grip on this aggressive textured G10 scales. Over time, the pocket clips can wear down your pants, and they are reversible. They do send 2 different clips, one for each side. Not reversible, ambidextrous. And the thumb stud is also ambidextrous, but I'm left-handed and I don't have any problem with the smaller side and opening. Pretty good speed. You can do it one-handed. Close it, because you got the stopper right there, so your finger doesn't get cut. You can do it one-handed, which is nice. Durability, we already know their quality. Price, they're going for about $105 online right now. That'd be on like knifecenter.com, and that's for the S35 VN steel. Also has the DLC coating, which isn't bad. I paid, I think, how much I paid for this one? About $89 street price. Maybe $79 for one of these. I can't remember how much they were, but it's been about 5 years now of having the black ones here. And I just collected these over time. Kind of did my own thing there. Cool factor. Yes, it's definitely a cool blade. Very tactical. Usually when you pull this thing out though, the wrong person might think something wrong, or think, you know, be on the fence, unfortunately, but you know, an excellent utility blade, I'll tell you that. Stout, I use it for a pry bar a lot, and I have no problems with the blades breaking or anything like that. The tips usually hold up on the Tanos, but on the Recon with the clip point, that tips can be a little more fragile, obviously. You can see that tip's a little more pokey, so you have to be a little careful with that. But anyways, so that's my favorite EDC of all time, basically. And thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Let me know how I'm doing. Hopefully we can make this channel happen. And thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you next time.